One of the most studied strategies in the recent years for weight management is the ketogenic diet. Many studies have shown that this kind of nutritional approach has a solid physiological and biochemical basis and is able to help the body burn fat as fuel to support a healthy weight while also offering other health benefits. Here top 6 benefits of the ketogenic diet. 1. Healthy weight management. Support low-carb, high-fat, moderate protein diets, such as keto, have been used for decades to help people maintain a healthy weight. By consuming a higher fat/lower carb diet, the body is retrained to use fat as an energy source, allowing the body to tap into its own fat reserves for energy. 2. Appetite control. Support. High-fat diets such as the keto diet can actually reduce appetite, even when restricting calories. This is due to the satiating nature of fat-rich foods. 3. Healthy brain support. Not interested in the fat-burning aspect of a keto diet, keto may still be right for you. A big reason why so many people love the ketogenic diet is due to its support of a healthy brain. In fact, the keto diet is becoming incredibly popular in many high-performance career fields. 4. Support gut health. Many with sensitive guts shudder at the thought of eating a high-fat, low-carb diet because increased fat intake can sometimes boost bowel transit time. But this is generally only a short-lived side effect. Overall, a low-carb diet can support a healthy gut, so the keto diet may be a great gut option. 5. Discomfort soother. Ketosis has also been shown to soothe occasional discomfort in the body, and who wouldn't want that? 6. Energy support. What's probably most shocking about a ketogenic diet is how it reportedly supports energy levels. How is that possible? Fat, and the ketones produced from fat, are readily available source of fuel. Once someone is fat adapted and in ketosis, they will typically find that they can easily go for hours without certain foods and not come up short on energy.